Hey guys, I'm Mrs. Parchman, the CEO and owner of Amani Beadwear. I make handmade body jewelry, but I love to customize. So if you have a special idea for a bracelet set, a choker, a waist bead, an anklet, any combination, just let me know. Need some jewelry customized? Let me bead you.
Do the work. You do whatever is necessary to be prepared for whatever it is you're trying to acquire. And then you let it go because you know you have done everything that you possibly can do. And when you've done everything you can do, that's the moment of surrender release. And then if it's supposed to be yours, it will come to you.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, check out my website, and also follow on all of our social media, Amani Beadwear.